Hello and welcome to NCTV episode 126. Now that we're into May, gardens across the UK are bursting back into life, along with garden centres, lawn mowers, hedge trimmers and, unfortunately, quite a few gardening related injuries. At this time of year, many people suddenly go from light pottering to trying to recreate the entire grounds of Kew Gardens in a single bank holiday weekend. And the body doesn't always appreciate that level of enthusiasm. So today we're talking about the biggest gardening injury mistakes, the common things people get wrong, why aches and pains appear, and how to enjoy gardening without feeling like you've been dug up the next day. A quick fact for you, around 300,000 gardening related injuries are estimated to occur in the UK every year, and that's before we've even discussed the emotional damage caused by slugs. So what are the biggest mistakes? Firstly, doing too much too soon, and this is by far the biggest one. Your body may remember gardening, but your muscles might not. After a quieter winter, suddenly spending 5 hours digging, lifting, weeding and crouching is a bit like deciding your first run of the year should be a marathon. Your enthusiasm says just one more flower bed, but your back is certainly not. A much better approach is to build up gradually, break jobs into chunks and alternate tasks regularly. Try not to stay in one position for too long. Secondly, poor lifting technique. With compost bags, pots, paving slabs and wheelbarrows, gardens are basically like outdoor gyms disguised as relaxing hobbies. A common mistake is bending and twisting whilst lifting. Instead, get close to the load, bend through the knees and hips, and keep the item close to the body and pivot with your feet rather than twisting through your spine. Your back likes teamwork from the legs. Thirdly, kneeling badly. A lot of gardening problems actually come from prolonged kneeling, crouching or squatting awkwardly, and this can irritate your knees, your hips and lower backs. So use kneeling pads where possible, change positions frequently and don't ignore pins and needles and numbness. Your joints generally prefer movement, not being folded up like garden furniture for an hour. And fourth, forgetting to warm up. People warm up before tennis, football, running, but somehow not before wrestling a hedge. Cold muscles and sudden heavy activity are not the ideal combination. Even 2 to 3 minutes of marching on the spot, shoulder rolls, gentle squats, and loosening the back and hips can make a big difference. Think of it as preparing your body before you start preparing the flower beds. And fifth, pushing through the pain. This is a very British problem. Many people treat gardening injuries like a badge of honour. I can barely straighten my back, but the begonias look fantastic. A mild ache after activity can be normal. Sharp pain, persistent pain, or symptoms worsening over several days are not things to ignore. Especially if pain shoots down the leg, causes numbness, affects grip strength, or limits walking. That's usually your cue to get it checked. So how can osteopathy help? Gardening injuries often respond really well to treatment, and osteopathy may help by improving joint mobility, reducing muscle tension, easing stiffness, improving movement patterns, and helping people return to activity more comfortably. It's not just about treatment either. Often small adjustments to posture, pacing and movement habits make a huge difference. Other helpful support might include strength exercises, mobility work, Pilates, physio, massage, or simply pacing yourself more sensibly. Because contrary to popular belief, you do not need to complete the entire garden in one weekend. One final fact for you. Studies have actually shown that gardening can significantly improve both physical and mental well-being, reducing stress levels and helping people stay active as they age. So the goal isn't to stop gardening, it's to garden smarter. And that's it for today's bite-sized tip to help your health flourish. Remember, pace yourself, lift wisely, vary your positions, and don't wait until you're walking like a rusty wheelbarrow before doing something about it. See you next time. Bye for now.